Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Yo, dog, where are they? There, no, man, where they pass? There, man. Hold on. Make sure you say no hand that way I use back for your fist, because this hand I use back for my fist, dog. Dog, you know something I like fuck virgin?
Nah.
I like fuck virgin, dog. I can't bother the whole pass screaming and you look, no, every minute I didn't fuck with the dog.
Me like when I do me thing, the girl I'll just drop asleep, you see me, because she used to it, you see me?
Drop asleep, dog?
Mm-hmm.
You know nothing, dog. What do you mean by girl drop asleep?
No, I mean, way good, she just put me
Just put her to sleep?
Yeah.
No, dog, any girl me a fuck her, me a put her to sleep, dog. Me say me cocky now up, dog.
Dog, you know what's the thing? I have a girl up on a back shot position though, dog. He hard, yo, fuck.
What do you mean by hard? You just bend over a girl and just. That's not hard.
That name back shot?
You bend over a girl, that, how you call back shot?
I think I want the girl open up from back way.
Dog, in a sense here, but the girl bend over and you there behind you, that's a back shot.
No, when she turn up and hop me up like this, dog. Like when she do a thing like this, dog, from back way.
One thing, master. Sex can stay sometimes. I love when I get head, dog. When a girl goes up, like noodles, like, dog. One time, you know, dog, I tell her, say, a girl did go leave me, you know.
Yeah.
But to me, I know that every girl like swallow them shit there, you know, dog. And then like when they come in them so I just keep quiet, dog, and just build. So when I come, here girl, you could tell me, say, yeah, come.
So you apply Chinese noodle, top ramen.
Ramen. Nah, I know that, I cheat by my girl. Dog, and I cheat by her with you, know, dog.
I cheat with her too, dog.
The man her ass fat, dog. Not say my woman ass not fat, but her ass fat, dog.
Fear one fat to a different extent. Look on all entity there.
Dog, you know I not like her picture because woman's boss off for her but Instagram. So if you see something I like the picture
Let
them.
me tell you what you have to do now, dog. Go on Google on your phone, go in incognito. And that's how you do it. So you like picture understand.
And then she not going to know something like it.
She not going to say you like it.
Mad. Here a quick double tap.
Man, you tell me no tricks and trade, no, dog, isn't it?
Mad.
Dog,
Hey,
tell me, how you feel about condom?
you know one thing I don't like condom, you know, dog. But I have to use, you know, sometime, but I don't like condom, dog. I know every girl I can just jump in and be a back.
Yeah.
You see me, dog? I don't like condom, dog.
Dog, let me tell you something, dog. I touch this girl one day, dog, and she said to me, say, if me have a condom. I'm like, bitch, me no use condom. One name, so.
Say you use condom for no girl, none
Me
at
no
all?
use condom for no girl, none at all.
Dog, don't move. Let me tell you if you have AIDS, dog. Dog, see now I shine a new song. Man always want to shine and then me sit there, dog, and I say girl for pooping out her face, dog. What you feel about them fuckery, dog?
Make it try.
The girl try that about pooping out. Boxing,
try.
dog. He box him with a give us that in a child for life in prison.
Bruh, so I talk about prison, I'm gonna box him down, carry him going back of my yard, bury him, and just carry myself in a police station.
Yo, I saw the freak in the dog, but I'm like that, but she nasty, dog.
No man,
Poop face,
no
dog.
man. Well, if you are freak on to one different extent,
Bad.
because poop in a face, what kind of freak you could be so?
You want me put in her face.
Yo dog, okay. Which one of them two girls you that talk to? Me prefer the one with the big body dog. Which one of them? You that talk?
Well, that one the dog, one day we have big breasts. Her body kind of flat, you know, all that flat, but the kind of flat.
Brother.
But the one with the big body dog, she not on the breast dog. And I can't deal with nobody with no flat chest dog.
That's true.
Because I not suck on no girl heartbeat. You see me I say dog?
Yeah.
I swear dog, I hate when my woman see my phone dog. Like, my woman just always have a problem with my phone. It no matter who takes me dog, if I is a female,
Yeah.
me I look them,
Yeah.
me I go fuck them.
Exactly. That happened to me this morning before me come out.
I can't bother dog. And, yo, I can't literally fuck every girl in my WhatsApp or my social them dog.
Exactly.
Me got serious though. You that kiss a girl with suck your wood.
Well, after she what do you mean by that exactly?
Alright.
After she done
So
something
you have
with
one
her-
girl where you suck your wood.
Yeah.
Suppose she kiss you after or try kiss you after. You like kiss her?
Oh, right after she done something with dog, me that just still no dog. That just shit no dog. Me not lie to you.
Between me and you know dog. One girl did suck off one at a time dog and kiss me the dog. I'm not lying, me kiss her.
One top man.
So you have to deal with me son now dog?
One top man.
Me can't believe I'm gonna deal with me son.
One top man.
Yeah, me kiss her back after.
Listen.
So we are good, dog?
Yo, dog, you ever come to your mind that if you just heat the booty like grocery?
Shut your blood clot.
Dog, me see one brother jump off a bridge. What day, yeah? You would do that? You would kill yourself for one girl?
You mad, dog? Much girl in the world.
But dog, suppose to love a girl, love a girl.
So what shit, look how much girl me love in my life. I'm not jump. I don't even want to jump. I'm not even going to jump over one stick for no girl, much less. One stick. Jump over a bridge, dog. So why if me love you? You go on about your business.
Dog, suppose to have vagina like this, dog.
Any girl with a vagina like this, a body will you fuck. So dog, you know how to celebrity crush, dog?
Yeah, me a Spice, dog. You don't know Spice with that voluptuous ass.
Yeah, her ass look big if. You look kinda like it a fable double still, but.
Fable double.
Yeah, like it a all over the place, but.
Brother, no, that a way girl name for Magnum. Yannick.
Yannick.
We are body, dog.
Oh, the body way kinda fake.
Yeah, it's a Spice body, dog. It's sent from heaven. You hear your song? Sent from heaven. Yeah,
And
man.
Jesus really made that the body they come on earth.
Yeah.
But,
Spice, dog. I love her to death.
right now, I kinda would prefer like Tifa, dog, cause I want bend out and put them so more, dog, and just.
Yeah, me know where I
Somebody hard prison man stop, dog.
Me know them way.
You see me? Dog. One girl ever give you a head and say your feed is cheesy.
Oh you mean? I tell me boss say Swiss cheese upon the tip. Swiss cheese. Yo. Much girl ever have sex with, dog?
Oh yeah, we do this see camera or we do this like you want to know?
We want to know. Cause I want to know if you better than me, dog.
I have sex with both. Either, I know a number like either 50 to 60 at the girl, but I have sex like 10 times more, amount of times more than that. Because I have one girl I have sex with like 50 at time or more. And that at least compared to some girl I have since lately.
Oh.
But if you camera dog, I have to tell people say I'm a virgin because I can't bother people around down me thing and I ask me sex tips and everything like that. And I don't want my future wife to go here say me a whore and all them stuff. You know? So basically I'm a virgin for anybody who asks, but what if a girl I can't have a count?
Well, me know one girl me ever have sex with in my life.
One?
Annie Palmer.
Oh boy, that me know but my fist not that, but one girl just that alone you're a virgin dog.
High five.
No, you can't touch me that hand dog.
High five.
No.
Bro.
No.
Yo. Yo, go stop this dog.
No.
Watch that.
But this is just where I'm on a random normal day when guys are chill. We sit down with pre-girls, we talk stuff about sex life, and I just with that. So, like, comment, share, check out his channel, Breaking Wolf. See me and stay tuned. Click the bell if you know every time we upload a video. You see me and just
show support. That's how we are.
The struggles make the star rotten. Every day rice bag look for me and set. All boss them can't flop yo. Them no enough for me league. You know see me a lead. Me a move too fast right now.